Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the top 5 countries offering the most comforts of life. These countries were ranked by Global Citizen Solutions, a non-profit organization that focuses on global issues. Germany. The 5th country on the rundown is Germany. Germany is known for its top-notch of life, framework, and individual and political opportunities. Additionally, 77% of expats say making new companions is simple in Germany. Germany has an advanced transportation framework, including a fast rail organization, broad street and expressway framework, and a thorough public transportation framework. The nation likewise has a great schooling system, with an emphasis on STEM instruction. What's more, the medical services framework is powerful, with all-inclusive medical care for all residents. Individual and political opportunities. Germany has areas of strength for individual and political opportunities, including the right to speak freely of discourse, opportunity of religion, and opportunity of gathering. The nation likewise has areas of strength for a situation that safeguards the freedoms of its residents. Worldwide citizenship. Germany is a worldwide forerunner in supportability. The nation has laid out aggressive objectives for lessening its ozone-harming substance discharges and for expanding its utilization of sustainable power. Germany is likewise areas of strength for worldwide participation on environmental change and other worldwide issues. Making new companions. Another study has discovered that 77% of expats say making new companions is simple in Germany. The overview, directed by Internations, a worldwide organization for expats, likewise observed that Germany is positioned as the 3rd best country on the planet for personal satisfaction. The study, which surveyed north of 14,000 expats from more than 190 nations, found that Germany scored especially well in the space of individual flexibility, medical care, and balance between serious and fun activities. Expats likewise lauded Germany's reasonable cost for most everyday items and its top-notch school system. Canada. The 4th country on the list is Canada. Canada is the only non-European country in the top 5. Canada is known for its high quality of life, affordable cost of living, and excellent healthcare system. Furthermore, 68% of expats are happy with the quality of medical care in Canada. Canada's quality of life. Canada's healthcare system. Quite possibly of the best thing about Canada is its medical services framework. It is a widespread medical services framework, and that implies that all occupants, including expats, are qualified for nothing or minimal expense clinical consideration. This is a significant draw for expats, as it gives them inner serenity realizing that they will approach quality clinical consideration in the event that they need it. Canada's diversity. One more extraordinary thing about Canada is its variety. The nation is home to individuals from everywhere in the world, which makes a dynamic and comprehensive society. This is an extraordinary spot to reside in the event that you are searching for where you can feel at ease regardless of where you are from. Denmark. The 3rd country on the list is Denmark. Denmark has similar strengths to Sweden and Finland, including a high quality of life, sustainability, and affordability. Moreover, 79% of expats are happy with the cost of living in Denmark. Denmark's quality of life. Denmark is an extraordinary spot to live for expats. It has a top-notch of life, reasonable cost for most everyday items, and magnificent medical care framework. The nation is additionally known for its lovely scenes, flourishing urban areas, and inviting networks. Denmark's sustainability. Denmark is a truly reasonable country. It is one of the world forerunners in sustainable power, and it has serious areas of strength for ecological security. This makes it an extraordinary spot to live for individuals who are energetic about supportability. Denmark's affordability. Denmark is a shockingly reasonable country to live in. The cost for most everyday items is lower than numerous other European nations, and the pay rates are high. This implies that expats can partake in an agreeable way of life without burning through every last cent. Denmark's expat community. Denmark has an enormous and inviting expat local area. There are many gatherings and associations that take care of expats, and there are dependably occasions and exercises occurring. This causes it simple to cause companions and to feel comfortable in Denmark. Finland. The second country on the list is Finland. Finland is also known for its high quality of life, sustainability, and affordability. Additionally, 72% of expats are happy with their work-life balance in Finland. Finland's quality of life. Finland is an extraordinary spot to live for expats. It has a top-notch of life, reasonable cost for many everyday items, and superb medical services framework. The nation is additionally known for its lovely scenes, flourishing urban areas, and inviting networks. Finland's sustainability. Finland is a truly supportable country. It is one of the world forerunners in sustainable power, and it has major areas of strength for and on natural security. This makes it an extraordinary spot to live for individuals who are enthusiastic about manageability. Finland's affordability. Finland is a shockingly reasonable country to live in. The typical cost for most everyday items is lower than numerous other European nations, and the compensations are high. This implies that expats can partake in an agreeable way of life without burning through every last cent. Finland's work-life balance. Finland is known for its incredible balance between fun and serious activities. The nation has areas of strength for an unrepresentative prosperity, and it offers many advantages to laborers, like paid parental leave, adaptable work hours, and sponsored childcare. This makes it an extraordinary spot to live for individuals who need to have a sound balance between fun and serious activities. Sweden. The first country on the list is Sweden. Sweden is known for its high quality of life, sustainable development, and affordable cost of living. In fact, Sweden was ranked as the best nation globally for quality of life by Global Citizen Solutions. Sweden's quality of life. Sweden is an incredible spot to live for expats. It has a great of life, reasonable cost for many everyday items, and fantastic medical care framework. The nation is additionally known for its wonderful scenes, flourishing urban areas, and inviting networks. Sweden's sustainability. Sweden is a truly supportable country. It is one of the world forerunners in sustainable power, and it has serious areas of strength for and on natural security. This makes it an extraordinary spot to live for individuals who are energetic about manageability. Sweden's affordability. Sweden is a shockingly reasonable country to live in. The cost for many everyday items is lower than numerous other European nations, and the compensations are high. This implies that expats can partake in an agreeable way of life without burning through every last cent. Sweden's expat community. Sweden has a huge and inviting expat local area. There are many gatherings and associations that take special care of expats, and there are consistently occasions and exercises occurring. This causes it simple to cause companions and to feel comfortable in Sweden. These are just a few of the many countries that offer a high quality of life. If you're looking for a country with a comfortable lifestyle, any of these countries would be a great choice. Thanks for watching. If you like our content and want to see more content like this, consider subscribe our channel, also like and share. See you in the next video. Take care.